Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of your favorite products. Today, we're diving into the Harbot 14853-49S carburetor, renowned as one of the top choices for Kohler Courage XT7 engines. Whether you're looking to replace an old carburetor or upgrade your current one, this could be the perfect fit for you. Let's explore why. First off, why is the Harbot 14853-49S carburetor considered the best in its class? Well, it's designed to fit perfectly on a range of Kohler engines, including the popular XT675 and XT650 models. It also works with Toro 20371 and various other applications, making it a versatile choice for lawnmowers, go-karts, and utility vehicles. The build quality is impressive. It features brass components, a zinc-plated float bowl, a high-density plastic float, and an anodized aluminum carburetor body. These materials ensure durability, chemical corrosion resistance, and excellent performance even under varying temperatures and conditions. Installing the Harbot carburetor is a breeze. It's a bolt-on design, which means you can replace your old carburetor without any extensive modifications. The factory calibration ensures easy startups and consistent engine performance, which is crucial for anyone looking to maintain their equipment hassle-free. When it comes to performance, this carburetor doesn't disappoint. It's been tested under wet flow conditions to simulate real-world operation, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're mowing the lawn or racing around in a go-kart, you can count on this carburetor to deliver consistent power and fuel efficiency. Maintenance is key to prolonging the life of any engine component. With the Harbot carburetor, you'll find it's relatively low maintenance. Regular cleaning and upkeep will keep it performing at its best for years to come, saving you time and money on repairs. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable carburetor upgrade for your Kohler Courage XT7 engine, look no further than the Harbot 14853-49S. It's built to last, easy to install, and designed to enhance your engine's performance. Plus, with its affordable price point, it's a smart investment for any outdoor enthusiast. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.